Hello, you guys. How are you guys doing today? Awesome, you guys. I've been a little bit on the weather the past couple of days, but bear with me. Like I said, there's more videos coming up. I'm trying to be more consistent. But you guys, today I want to talk about CNET. You guys, CNET, how basically China networks, a net something. They went supernova today, you guys, and stupid supernova, you guys, and I believe it was about, I think, 700%. Let me confirm that for you guys real quick. It went about 872.50% supernova today. Again, I'm talking about CNET, C as in cat. Alright, you guys, and let me tell you guys, a lot of you guys have been asking me how did I came about, how did I was able to capture this opportunity, because I made over 200% profit on it. Yes, again, I made over 200% profit, you guys. It was a very good trade. I end up selling half of it, and I end up holding half of it overnight, and I will tell you guys why. But before I get into that, you guys, make sure you guys subscribe again to my channel, okay? So you guys be able to learn more and be able to become a better trader, basically. And another thing, you guys, make sure you guys join the groups again on Facebook, on the Discord app especially, so you could reach out to me if you need some advice, some one-on-one training, or to be able to benefit from the group, you know, because we are experienced traders. But not only that, I do provide something as a watch list, especially for beginners, so I could set you guys on the right path. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, so make sure you guys join, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys join the groups. It's very important to learn from experienced traders, you guys. Okay, so look, you guys, let's get into that. Okay, so again, you guys, I wake up every single day, you know, from Monday through Friday when I'm trading. I wake up like around 5:30, you guys. I really do. Around 5:30, and I'm California, okay? And so I woke up today, and the first thing I do, I always try to look at the updates. Let's see what's trending up. So then I notice CNET was up about 200% pre-market time, around 5:40, 5:45 when I noticed it. And I'm like, wow. So then I noticed why it's up so much, okay? Then I did my research, and I came to find out that it had affiliated with the the blockchain, the crypto. You know how everything, all that stuff that's going on, and all that hype that's going on. So then I thought about that. Then I thought about how several weeks ago how DPW, and several weeks ago how LFIN, those two went supernova, you guys, for like 2-3 days. You know, they went. A couple of them went several hundreds, and I remember like L Film went like 1,800%, you guys, like in 3 days. So that was crazy. That was very crazy. So then I thought about this, all right, because I noticed again it was affiliated with crypto. So, all right, so then I noticed it. It got my attention. I updated my watch list, you know, with everything else that was trading that day. So the market opened, and I'm trading live, you guys, for a lot of the members that I teach. All right, and I was trading live, and I had several that I was looking at. A lot of them were consolidating, a lot of them were dropping after the market. That's why I like to wait after the market so I could sort out the trash. Then I noticed CNET was holding its ground, and I remember it went up to, you guys, to like 376, 370. Then it dropped all the way back down to like 286, and I noticed that was one of the ones that I was trying to get some of my money, because I noticed there was an opportunity there. You know, I had everything I needed. You know, I was trying to wait for the right time, wait for the right opportunity. So then I did. I noticed it dropped to like 286, 290, and I ended up getting in at 333. Yes, I ended up getting in at 333, you guys, about maybe like around 7:10 in the morning. Okay, so I ended up getting in, you guys, and when I got in, yeah, it went up a little bit. It went up to like to like 350, 355, but I didn't want to sell. My goal was to try to sell it like around 370, 375, okay? But then I thought to myself, why am I going to do that? Why am I going to sell myself short, knowing that this could probably run way farther than that? Okay, so I end up holding it a little bit longer. Then it dropped. Okay, it ended up going to like the 280s, 290s, $3, and it floated there. As you guys can see, here's the chart, you guys. It floated there for like a couple of hours. Okay, But then I thought to myself, all right, I'm down, you know, so what should I do? And I was thinking about cutting my losses, and I thought to myself, wait, well, what's the first reason you got in the first place? And I told myself, okay, because of the crypto of the blockchain. And like, okay, well, what happened to the others that got information like that? Like, all right, they went supernova, but look. Then I thought to myself, but this is already up to 100%. Then I said, no, it went off farther than those from the ones I have seen. So then I was looking at the chart, and you know what? I had the confidence in me that this was gonna go farther than that. So then I just let it be. Okay, then hours went by, you know, about 2 hours I ignored it. I put no attention. I wasn't even looking at it, you guys. Alright, and because consciously I already made the decision that I was going to swing it. So then I didn't really care. I mean, you know, my uninvited attention was gone already. So then I did, and 2 hours later, 3 hours later, I started noticing, you guys, that was going up. It was going up, and it was going up crazy. That it went up to like $18. 18 something, as you can see in the chart. And when it was going up, you guys, I sold half of it, about not $18, I mean $11 and some change. It went up to like $11 and some change, and I sold half of it, about I believe it was 10.52. Yep, I sold half of my position at 10.52, you guys. And I'm holding on to the other half. Okay, so that was very good. Okay, so again, something that gave me confidence, alright, is knowing that it had heavy news. The news was very good, especially with all the shit, all the hype that's going on with cryptocurrencies right now, you guys. So I was confident. And sometimes, you know, members telling me, dude, how did you make over 200% profit? You know, the numbers don't lie, you guys. Here, as you can see, over 200% profit. And I told him, well, look, I was just confident on the trade of in the first place of why I got myself in, because, you know, of the news of the hype that's going on with cryptocurrencies of the blockchain. So that's what I did, you guys. So I ended up holding it, and it's doing great, and it's still doing. Right now, I believe it's over 9 something, 980, 960. I'm not that sure, but let me see what else, you guys. I'm looking at my notes, okay, right here for you guys that I like to write before, okay. So yes, the highest that it went, you guys, it was $11.38. It went up 872.65%, and I only got like over 200 of that. So it was very good, okay. Like I said, I sold half of it, and I'm holding half overnight, all right. And one of the things too, you guys, that helped me out, okay, to make this much profit, it was able to trust your gut, to trust the information that you find out. Or as some of the members tell me, Fidel, where did you got the information? A lot of them did. And I tell them, look, I got the information from the Stockmaster. And I keep telling you guys, you know, it's only on iOS, basically Apple. And I was telling you guys, look, there's a lot of information there. Sometimes you got to sort out the garbage, though. And so I saw some information there, and I compared the information to other sources, and I was getting the same information. I noticed, okay, this information is solid. This information is good. So that's something that basically gave me the confidence. You know, it's basically heavy information like this. So I was just trying to find the perfect price to get in, you guys. I'm glad I got in. I'm glad I made the decision to get in. I noticed that when I got in, it went up a little bit. I could have sold it, made 15 cents, 20 cents profit per share. But I decided not to do that. I decided to go for the long run because of the reason why I got in. Afterwards, it dropped, consolidated a little bit. I was down, but then again, because of the reason why I got in, gave me the confidence to hold it instead of me cutting off my losses, which I did, you guys, and it paid off. It paid off good. I did not use a stop loss. The reason why I didn't use a stop loss, but look, I advise for amateurs to beginners to use a stop loss, you guys. Okay, especially when something's up super high like that. And I didn't use a stop loss, you guys. If I would use a stop loss, I would have got stopped out. You know, because it did drop like $1 plus, $1.50, $1, probably a little bit more than that. So I would have got stopped out, you know. A lot of us would have got stopped out, you know, because, you know, $1.50 plus of a drop per share is heavy, you see. So I didn't use a stop loss, especially because I was confident what I was going to do with it, or what the chart was gonna play it out, and the previous stocks like DPW, LFIN, you see it, MARA, I could keep going on. But all this has been affiliated with crypto in one way or another. So I noticed this was new information. So again, I sold half of it, like about 10.52, and I'm holding on to the other half right now, which I believe is like about 9 something. Let me make sure what is it right now. Let me confirm that for you guys. Right now, you guys, it's at 10.25. And you guys could see 10.25, 10.20 right now, you guys. So it's good. It's good, you guys. Right now, I'm up 206.31%, you guys. So that is beautiful. So sometimes, it's good to find out your information. Okay, one of the things that I regret, not that much, but is that I only got a $500 position. And the reason is because, again, you guys, after pre-market time, it was very crowded. Average volume, you guys look it up, for CNET, again, it's about 86,000 if I'm correct. And if I'm right, the highest that it went was like about 83 million. You see that? So that's why I went supernova, and it was very crowded. So that's something I didn't want to risk, which is too much money, okay? Because, it's a hard loss, especially when you're up like that, especially when it's up that much, One drop, 20, 30, 40% could hurt a lot. So I only got a $500 position, but hey, I end up making like about $1,000 profit off of that, and I'm still confident it's going to keep doing more the next day. That's why I'll hold on to the half. So that's it, team. Okay, again, you guys make sure you guys join the groups. Okay, Trade with Fidel at the Discord app, on Instagram. Follow me, please, and on YouTube and on Facebook. You guys reach out to me for any advice, any help. My phone is going off. Basically, people are telling me that it's blowing up. It's going, you guys. It's moving. We're getting paid. All right, another day, another dollar. All right, you guys. All right, traders. I'll talk to you guys soon. But before I let you guys go, I'm thinking about going live tomorrow, Friday, around 3 p.m. California time. All right. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that little bell next to the subscribe, so you guys will get notified as soon as I post a video and as soon as I go live. All right, traders. I'll talk to you guys soon. Let's make some money. Talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.